Students, this is your English class and I'm again here with your grammar chapter 6 verbs conditionals. This is my fourth video, this chapter, and today I'm going to complete it. This is the final video of this chapter. Children, till now you have come to know what conditionals are. A conditional sentence has two clauses. One is the if clause and the other is the main or the principal clause, where you get the result, the consequence. In if clause, you don't get the result, but when you add the main clause, the principal clause, you get the final result. So, conditional sentences are of four types. Type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. I have already discussed 0 type, type 1 and type 2 with you all. And in this video, I'll be discussing type 3. As you all know that in type 1, it describes about general truth, scientific facts. Type 1, it describes something likely to happen, real situation. But in type 2, it describes something unlikely to happen. And it even describes unreal situation. Children, in type 3, it describes a past situation. Too late, zero probability or impossible to be fulfilled. So, type 3 talks about past situation. It's too late, you cannot rectify it, zero probability. Not a single chance and impossible to be fulfilled. You cannot fulfill it. So let's come to the structure or the pattern of the sentence. If plus past perfect plus past participle, that is would have. Now children, let's come to the example. If I had seen her, I would have spoken to her. Children, see the formation of the sentence. In if clause, what we have used? We have used past perfect, that is had seen. And you'll know it with past perfect, we use, with perfect tense, we use V3 form of the verb, that is seen. So in the if clause, we have used past perfect. If I had seen, I would have spoken to her. That is past participle. I would have spoken to her. Children, this is impossible now. The time has passed and you cannot rectify it. It is not possible to do this work. So if I had seen her, I would have spoken to her. I did not see her, so I did not speak. The second example. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Again children, just see in the if clause, past perfect has been used, had studied, and then in the second clause, the main clause, we have used past perfect. I would have. So again, it's talking about the thing which is impossible, as it has already passed in the future. And you cannot rectify it. If I had studied, I have not studied. I did not study. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. I did not study, so I did not pass the exam. So now you cannot rectify it. It's too late. It's too late. You cannot change the situation because it's talking about the past. So children, I think all the type you have very well understood, and then you are going to do the exercise from the book. So that's all children.